Take a look at this scene. It is a standard feature of modern life, and likely identical to what you are doing right now. We spend our days anchored to glowing glass rectangles, staring at them in traffic, at dinner, and while we wait in line. But that device is currently on a path toward obsolescence. Major tech roadmaps suggest that within 5 years, the smartphone will begin to vanish, replaced by a new category of hardware that doesn't require a handheld screen. This shift is driven by basic biology. Hardware developers have reached a limit. Swiping at glass and manually typing with our thumbs are slow processes. They act as bottlenecks, limiting how fast a human brain can interact with digital information. To break that bottleneck, the world's largest tech firms, including Apple, Meta, and companies led by Elon Musk, are pivoting. They are investing billions into engineering the replacements that will render the mobile screen unnecessary. Curious, this creates a vacuum. If the physical screen disappears from your hand, what fills that space? We have to look at how we interact with the world when the physical window into the digital realm is gone. The modern tech race has moved past the era of better resolution and folding displays. Engineering efforts are now focused on erasing the physical interface, forcing us to adapt to technology that is essentially invisible. The transition begins with migration. Before the phone disappears, it moves from our palms to our faces through a new generation of wearables. AI-powered goggles and smart contact lenses serve as the initial bridge. These devices project a holographic user interface directly onto your retina, layering your apps and messages over the physical space in front of you. However, wearing specialized glasses is only a stepping stone. The long-term goal of this industry is the removal of external hardware altogether. This leads to brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. Systems like Neuralink are being developed to bridge the gap between human biology and machine processors by placing hardware directly inside the human skull. These systems enable thought typing. By reading neural impulses, a BCI translates intent into digital text. This allows a user to draft and send a message without moving a single muscle. When you think of a command, the system executes it. It allows for the control of digital environments at the speed of thought. By routing data straight to the cortex, the friction of physical communication is removed. The biological body effectively becomes the device. As personal tech becomes internal, our external infrastructure is also being automated to match this screenless standard. Consider the daily commute. Human-driven transportation relies on a high-friction system of manual reaction, leading to the gridlock and delays seen in every major city. By 2028, major transit hubs, including those in India, plan to deploy automated webs. This involves autonomous self-driving fleets on the ground and commercial air taxis overhead, all operating on a coordinated, human-free grid. The same effort to remove human error is changing healthcare as well. This chart compares surgical error rates of human doctors against AI robotic systems. The data shows a decline in mistakes when machines handle procedures. Beyond surgeries, these AI networks provide a 99% predictive accuracy rate, identifying microscopic signs of disease months earlier. By 2030, the world is expected to operate as an automated machine designed specifically to remove human delay and error from the equation. In this version of 2030, technology is a seamless environment we inhabit, rather than a separate tool we pick up and put down. On the surface, the benefits are clear. The chores of manual typing, sitting in traffic, and suffering from preventable medical misdiagnoses have been mitigated. But this level of convenience creates an inherent trade-off. As physical friction disappears from daily life, our direct physical control over those same systems tends to diminish. If AI lives inside your brain, if a machine pilots your commute, and a robot handles your surgery, who is actually in control of the outcome? Does a frictionless world make human life easier, or does it quietly strip away our agency, turning us into subjects of a pervasive, automated infrastructure? Look at the glass screen you are holding right now. It might be one of the last devices you truly control. Head to the comments and tell me, are you ready for it to go away? To keep tracking the systems shaping our future, subscribe. We will continue to analyze this technological reality before it fully arrives.